Here's what we'll be working with today. It's time to put them in the incubators. Of course, my temperature's off. I had it open for a bit, and it's winter time, so it's cool in here. This is my storage room right now, so it's, yeah. But it's gonna have to host the incubator, maybe incubators. If these take 54 days, I believe, or I think it took me 57 days the last time to hatch an emu. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take each egg, and we're going to mark a position. Since there's 3 right now, we're just going to make a square. Egg 1, egg 2, egg 3. And we need to turn this on. It's in grams. Well, it's hard to see. We're not working with the best light. Let's see if I don't think that helps. But the first egg, and yeah, she's a little dirty. And my table is not level. Dang it. Well, let's see if we can move some stuff around. Alrighty. Alright, first egg. Position 1 is 549. That's 549 grams. Alrighty, I got that one weighed. Get an idea of myself a little bit before I keep it from rolling. Piece of paper towel. Oh yeah, that helped. This is the freshest egg. This is one I picked up the night before last. It's 560 grams. That's being in position 2. And alright, put that one back in her position. And this. Alrighty. 56.9 grams. No, it's 50, not point grams. It's 569 grams. So they're all pretty close. The last one was the lightest, but it doesn't actually have all the mud on it. And I can't find anything that says I can wash the eggs. Everything you see is chicken information, but it says don't wash. And I don't wash my chicken eggs when I go to hatch them. If there's fresh mud on it and I'm picking it up, I'll usually wipe it off, but right now this is what we're dealing with. I hope they hatch. I mean, this is, experiment. It's her first year laying. My male is a little young, but I'm not sure if he's not able to breed. I haven't seen him breed, but he sure acts like a daddy every time I go out there. He fluffs up and, gives me a little, I'm gonna kick your butt, don't take my eggs. But I take them anyway, and he doesn't do nothing but fluff up. So, 2 thermometers. This one seems to be the more accurate one than this one, but it's been running 97, almost 100% of the time. I've been running the incubator for a week. We are putting them in here. Today is the 15th, so we'll put the date right here, 1-15-22. And I will come back in a week and see what they weigh at that point. And I may put videos out. I'm not sure how I'm gonna put these out just yet. I'd like to put them out weekly, but that's a lot of little things. It could be one video. I'll try to put them out weekly, and then we'll go with a full video, full movie if everything pans out. I mean, we don't know. Notepads will stay there. Those are gonna stay there. We're gonna close this up, and well, good luck to me. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.